Have you tried to be a programmer and it seems difficult? Or have you watched lots of DIY tutorials, books, and manuals, but all seems not working out? In this video, I'm going to show you 9 non-coding tech jobs you can get and earn crazy salary. If you could make it to the end of this tutorial, I'm going to show you the tips and tricks to find the best course on online sites, the relevant keywords to search for the best courses, and also the relevant sites where you can learn from. But first, a disclaimer. The mentioned salary in this video are not guaranteed. They are measured with online statistics using advanced tools. Also, this video is not supported by any of the mentioned sites. Likewise, this video doesn't contain any affiliate links. Without wasting much of our time, let's go. Number 1. Graphic design. There's a general saying that goes, coding is more of art than science, but graphic design is all about art. In this expected feed, your tasks are to design product and packaging for companies, meaning package emblems, logo, their social media asset packages, and many more. The prospect for being a graphic designer is one of the highly sought after roles in any firm, even outside IT firms. Also, you stand to earn more by going freelancing, meaning you can be a freelancer as a graphic designer. The expected salary for this role is around the region of $70,000 US annually. Number 2, UI and UX, meaning web or product behavioral manager. First, let's know what UI and UX stands for. UX stands for user experience, meaning knowing how users interact with a website, program, or app. While UI, on the other hand, stands for user interface, meaning actual drawing on websites, program, or app, layout using specialized software. The requirement of being a UI and UX manager is that this role only requires understanding of how people react to interface and having a designer's mindset to actualize them. When websites, programs, and apps are developed, UI and UX specialists sketch out wireframes and mockups. They are then tested on users, enabling the development of guidelines for designers to complete the user interface. The prospect of being a UI and UX designer. You can design? Don't worry, there are several roles you can fit into, ranging from psychology, human-computer interaction, design reporting, testing, and lots under this category. It only simply involves the act of using either a computer, phone, or a tablet. Now, the expected salary for this role is around the region of $100,000 US. Number 3, business analyst. With this job, you simplify the work of software developers by helping to bridge the gap between the customers and developers. A business analyst gains a solid understanding of the customer's requirements, and the analyst turns them into a series of tasks that is easily addressable by the developer. Also, a good business analyst is awesome in getting feedbacks from customers. The requirement for being a business analyst is you need to be concise and understands how things work in your given environment. The expected salary for this is around the region of $100,000 US annually. Number 4, project or program manager. There's a general saying that goes, not all project or program managers knows how to code, but they have a critical understanding of what goes around a company or a project. Working closely with project managers is needed to oversee the progression of multiple projects, while all active or passive workers in the firm are all answerable to the project manager. The tasks of a project manager. First, overseeing project goals. Second, understand work ethics. Third, knowing work compensation. And fourth, coordination of developers, programmers, marketers, and sales people. The expected salary of being a project manager is around $60,000 to $80,000. Number 5, technical writing. If you're good at covering meanings with fewer words, write catchy titles, useful prose, then technical writing might be a good career path for you. Why? Because technical products, programs, websites, scripts, and nearly every other type of product need extensive documentation. So, what are your requirements and tasks? First, all it takes is for you to have a better understanding of what you are writing about and know how to be concise, meaning how to be short and get the full meaning out. The expected salary for this role is around $78,000 to $120,000. Number 6, marketing and sales. Every tech company's goal is to make money, meaning this company needs to sell products. What are your tasks? The task is using latest trends and forms of marketing and advertising to make sales and thus bring profit to the company. Requirement. To get started, you need to get familiar with the following fields. Number 1, SEO, meaning search engine optimization. Number 2, SEM, search engine marketing. 3, PPC advertising, meaning pay-per-click advertising. 4, content marketing. 5, social media marketing. The expected salary for this role is around $100,000 upwards. Number 7, web analytics specialist. Web analytics relates to SEO and digital marketing. Specialists focus on site traffic measurement, goal setting for site elements, user experience visualization through Google Analytics, and site change monitoring with A/B testing. What are your tasks? Web analytics specialists generally work through agencies representing multiple clients, so expect to handle more than one website, depending on agency's size and workflow. The expected salary for this role is around $65,000 or more annually. Another profession within the tech industry that can be followed without coding skill is testing. This covers all manners of softwares, from tools for managing industrial machines to the latest video games. Testing means running through various scenarios within the application and checking for correct or incorrect responses. Bugs can be turned up, reported, and then resolved by the developers. All that is required of you is to be able to take a screenshot or accurately note an error code. For many, testing games can seem like a dream job. After all, you are all playing games for a living. And the expected salary for this role is out of estimation, meaning you can earn above $200,000 per month or $500,000 per month. Number 9, tech support specialist. The greatest benefit to many in this field is the flexibility. Many tech support companies allow for flex scheduling, working from home or some hybrid, as long as you are able to engage with customers and help them with their technology problems. It doesn't always matter whether you are in a cubicle or on your sofa. Some types of tech jobs require a degree if the type of support you are given is highly technical. For others, a degree is no issue. Your requirements: a solid familiarity with a wide range of tech products and issues, coupled with strong communication skills, are essential to this position. The expected salary for this role is around $40,000 to $80,000. The awesome part of all the jobs mentioned above is you can choose to be a freelancer, and it's also meant for all gender. How and where to learn for $9? First, head on to Udemy or Coursera or U Academy or Audacity, Hedonics, or Google Digital Garage. How to choose the best course? Rule number 1, the thumbnail rule. This rule applies to having a check on the thumbnail of the course you are about to order from. First, the thumbnail gives you a snippet of what you are about to learn from the intended course. Rule number 2, the number of purchases and reviews. on so many courses you can see on Udemy, Udacity, Coursera, and many of all these learning sites is you need to check out for the reviews. How many reviews has it gotten and what are the star rating? And also, it's quite essential for you to go for a course that has higher purchase with good reviews. This shows that a lot of people are interested in this course and they are already purchased the course. Rule number 3, the filter option. This is quite a matter of choice where you can set either you are a beginner or intermediate or an expert. Rule number 4, read the preface. Now, this is where you can get a full preview of what you're about to learn in the course. In all the learning centers which are mentioned in this tutorial, we are going to see a preface towards the course you're about to learn. So it is quite essential for you to read through and understand. There's also places where you can ask questions and get answers to your questions before you make a purchase. All the site mentioned in this video provides a money back guarantee, meaning if you are not interested after purchasing the course, you can request back for your money and go for another course. Now, the useful keywords to choose the best out of all the courses you have there. Now, these are selected keywords which I think if you should search with this and using the above rules provided for you here, it's quite going to be okay. Now, let's go one after the other. First, under graphic designs, you can choose these keywords that you can see to my right hand here. First, you can choose graphic design. You can type in beginner graphic design, free graphic design bootcamp. Number 4, bootcamp graphic works. Secondly, now you can search with UI UX design. Number 2, design website layout. 3, user interface design. 4, UI UX Figma. The third one, you can search with business analyst fundamentals, business process management, small business management, business marketing essentials. The next one, you can search with project management principles and practices, engineering project management, and last, search using Chris Croft. This is an instructor who has taught lots and lots of students on Udemy and other sites. The next one, you can search with professional technical writing, grammar writing, business communication skills, project management for technical writer, and so on. The next one, under marketing and sales, best SEO for small business, sales marketing, social media marketing, search engine optimization, traffic SEO. The next one, web analytics 0 to hero, web analytics guide, business analytics, business know-how, and the last one here, you can search with technical support, guide to help desk, and IT deployment. Wow, you've made it to the end of this video. A question for you. What other non-coding tech jobs do you know? Kindly drop your answer in the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Till I come again your way next time, I'm Akine Computer Guy signing out. Peace.